excited.
I'm glad you are.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited too, and you wore your cat ears today. Is that just for the dog?
Hi, what's your name?
Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Victoria. Nice to meet you. Amanda.
Hey, my name's Alexis.
Hi, Alexis.
Noah.
Noah. Nice to meet you.
Erin.
This is part of the C-SEP program, and C-SEP stands for Career Skills Exploration Program. It's a partnership between Henrico County Public Schools, RSVP, which is a local job coaching entity, and DARS, which is the Department of Aging and Rehabilitative Services.
These are the middle puppies out here. They're about 6 weeks old. And I'm sure you're all dying to touch a little fluffy puppy.
Yeah.
They weigh about 10 pounds. They range from like 8.5 pounds to 12 pounds.
Alexis, you want to hold one?
It was so beautiful to see them light up when these puppies came out. It benefited not only the dogs who need to be socialized, but the students who today have learned that this is a wonderful opportunity for them to participate in a volunteer opportunity in the community.
Do you have a dog at home? No. This one is really sweet, right? I know. Can you see his little face? He likes you a lot. Isn't that the best?
Now, when we get puppies here, we like for people to pet them and we like for people to handle them because puppies need to be around people. If they're not around people, they get shy with people, and that's the last thing we want them to do.
The most amazing thing about this program is that the students are actually taught by 2 job coaches that come in every day and teach them job skills directly.
It's really neat how she talks to him.
So there's no better person for them to learn job skills from than an actual job coach. So the relationship that they have with Roberto and Sarah from RSVP is it's a game changer for all of them.
We go out into the community and do exploration. So it's the E and C-SEP, it's exploration.
We have 3 things that we do here at Rescue.
And what we do there is we go out to local businesses and kind of get to know what happens at that job, to see what people do, how they interact with each other, and the jobs that are available.
I want to hold one of his. Can I? Sure. Come here, cutie. Come here.
I see 2 girls who would love a dog.
I know.
3 girls. You too, right, Amanda?
You are really good with dogs.
Okay, so this is Sarah.
They were able to interact with both a dog that was blind
She can smell you, but of course she can't see you.
and a dog that needed a wheelchair to get around. And I think that it was inspiring to them to see how those dogs had adapted to their environment and were able to function just like the other dogs here.
I'm out of mountain.
I think that everyone left today knowing that helping with a rescue is something that they could do.
The program is threefold. It incorporates skills learning, so we meet in the classroom and talk about work skills, starting from learning what workplace people expect from an employee, all the way to the end of the year where we actually build resumes and cover letters and work on interviewing skills. That's the first component.
I'm a student at Hermitage High School.
And we feel that incorporating the hands-on, the educational piece, and the exploration piece of the world of work, they get a full education all about what work is about. It's almost like a flower growing where you saw it from the very beginning all the way to the blossoming, which was the graduation.
Each morning she greets us with an infectious smile and a generous laugh.